Welcome to day 9?
Sure. I think so.
Yeah. Okay, so today we decided let's do a breakfast. The plant-based cookbook.
Ooh.
Not by Ashley Madison.
Oh,
Ashley
God.
Madden.
Big difference.
Yeah. You think? Alright, so the breakfast we're going to be doing is a breakfast I haven't had in a long time.
Yeah, it's been quite a while.
When was the
I think
last
your
time?
bookmark's in here.
Oh. When was the last time I had this breakfast? Probably like when we were writing the cookbook, maybe?
It's been a long time.
Around then, every day, overnight oats.
Ooh, I'm excited for this.
By the way, this cookbook is vegan, gluten-free, oil-free recipes for lifelong health. There's a lot of delicious looking recipes in here.
It all looks really fresh.
Yes, it all reminds me of those poke bowls that you love so much.
Oh yeah, what is that? Good? Is it something conscious?
Conscious foods?
Yeah, oh, I love those. We
There's
love the fresh
Ashley
meals.
Madison's. Wait, it's Madden.
Hey Ashley.
This is not her first cookbook. I believe this might be her second cookbook.
Okay, those spoons remind me of these spoons.
Yes.
They're not, but
Very popular. Very demure.
very mindful.
Yes. So we're going to be doing this today. Maddie's going to be doing hers in this blue fatter container.
Oh God.
I think they're both the same, but this one appears to be slimmer. So this would be for me. All right. So should I just do all the work and
Yeah.
I'll be like at the Yumberry whatever, and I'll be like, what
You're
topping
behind the
would you
bar,
like?
and
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I want.
Okay.
We are setting these up for tomorrow.
Yes.
We need some pre-shopping fuel.
Yeah. We
Shopping is
definitely
usually
do.
a marathon, so we need the energy to get through.
Without Kristen there, it's not going to be a sprint, though.
Yeah.
It's going to be a marathon.
Well, it's still usually a marathon when she's there, but it's like she hustles us through our stuff to get to her stuff.
Yeah. Pretty much.
She's all, let's look at the clothes.
All right. I think we should put the fruit on the bottom.
Okay.
Right?
Sure.
So now you said you wanted these blueberries, strawberries, and bananas.
Yeah, that looks good. It's like
It
a
does.
smoothie mix.
Yes. And the blueberries are wild, sustainably harvested.
Wonderful.
I wonder if they harvested them from where we go hiking.
You never know.
Yeah. Because they used to have blueberry cabins up there for the people to stay in. Wow, you're getting a lot of...
I love strawberries, so that's fine.
Okay. Oh, here's a big plot. There you go. And I am going to be having the ugly.
Oh. I love the packaging on this.
Hello, I'm ugly.
Those are also delicious.
I am hoping to find these again at Sam's Club when we go tomorrow because I want to get another one. I've
Yeah, they're
really been
tasty.
enjoying these a lot. So I'm just going to put in like that much.
Okay.
And I'll have one right now.
Yum, yum, yum.
You're so good. All right. Now it's time for the business. Oats. Let me get a little measure.
Old-fashioned.
Yep.
We love the old fashioned.
All right. I guess we're going to put in like 1/3 of a cup. Is that enough?
I thought you usually do half a cup. Maybe it's different for this because there's chia seeds. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I feel like I usually do half a cup of oatmeal.
Yeah, but we're going to have lots of other toppings.
Yeah,
going on.
alright. So just 1/3 then.
Oh, that's one for the cat. All right, so we both took oats. We're both going to do chia, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hope this isn't going to be like breakfast caviar.
What do you mean?
Because like it looks like fish eggs
Oh.
when it gets all hydrated.
Blech. Well, I mean, we've had chia seeds before in there.
Yeah.
I think it was okay.
All right, I think that is... This is 2 tablespoons, I think, because it says 1/8 of a cup. That seems like a lot of chia.
Okay.
So let's do less.
Yeah, because this is supposed to be 3 to 4 servings, and it says 3 tablespoons.
Yeah. So let's do like that much.
Okay.
In each.
Don't go crazy for me because I'm not like, I like when they're blended, but I'm not huge on just like regular.
Same.
Did we make a mistake?
I hope not. Oh, that's the wrong top. All right. Sorry, I'm still sick.
It's okay.
Would you like a little hemp?
The tiniest bit.
Okay.
Tiny.
Let's take this out so we can make more room for activities. All right. I'm going to do a whole scoop. I'll do...
Just do a sprinkling for me. Not even that. Not even that. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Sorry. I'm sorry, miss. Please don't not tip me. All right. Would you like date syrup?
Sure.
Okay. This is made from dates.
Okay. Guys, when I do have oatmeal, which I used to have oatmeal every single day, and now I only have it every once in a while.
Yeah, you used to have oatmeal every day.
Yeah. I used to crave it, honestly.
Not me.
I think it was the carbs. I don't know, but...
Never liked it.
The only thing I would put in my oatmeal was non-dairy milk, peanut butter, and some sort of a fruit, and that's it. Okay. That's all. But then I had it maybe like a few weeks ago, just because I was feeling like, let's do a little oatmeal, and it felt so sweet. I was just like, this is too much. Yeah, like it was a lot. Because I just haven't been eating it that much.
Is that too much? Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's a lot of cinnamon.
Let's do like half of that. Cinnamon.
Yes.
Are you doing real peanut butter or powdered peanut butter?
Let's do a little bit of real.
Okay.
Let's keep it on the real.
Keep it on the real.
Yeah, I miss those commercials. The real.
Yep. Oh, this is good. We'll just pour this in.
Yummy.
Let me know when.
Not too much. That's it. No. Not the huge chunk. No, I see what you're doing. Stop it.
What if I put the whole thing in there?
You'd be getting money taken away.
I'd have to pay you to take this away.
I'm going to switch the containers in the night. I'm going to drive back over here.
Do you want some kind, soft-baked, dark chocolate chunk sprinkled on the top?
The smallest bit.
Okay.
That is delicious, though.
It is. Let's do whatever fits onto a tablespoon.
All right.
Right?
Don't be piling it up. I feel like this is one of those breakfasts where it's going to be so delicious. I guess. But after, like, maybe, like, 2/3 of it, I'm going to be, like, up to my chin.
This is not a lot.
It's filling stuff, though. Like, I remember there was also a time period when I was eating muesli for breakfast.
Oh,
and that was so filling. Ooh, I was just over here. So filling for such a small amount, and I feel like this is going to be a similar thing where I'm just like, ugh.
All right, well, we put all the sweet in.
Okay.
How about a salty accent?
Like what?
Like some of those peanuts that we stole from Kristen.
I'm not gonna, but you can.
Well, if you're not gonna do it, I'm not doing it.
You can do it.
No. I won't. All right, so now we need to fill up the milk. So I guess since we put in 1/3 of a cup of oats, we should start off with 1/3 of a cup.
Mm-hmm. I usually just eyeball it, so I don't know.
And then maybe half of that? Because of the chia?
Mm.
You think that looks good?
I guess.
Or more?
I don't know.
I don't want this to be dry.
Yeah. I guess.
Little more?
I don't know. I never make them like this. I don't know. I don't know what's right. I don't know. It seems like a lot of liquid.
Yeah, but the chia is going to suck it up.
Yeah, you're right. You know? I think that's good.
All right.
We're going to find out.
Let us know in the comments what you guys put in your overnight oats or in your oatmeal.
Yeah. So you're going to mix it up?
Do I have to?
I would.
I thought you mix it up when you eat it.
I don't know. I would mix it now. Because, like, some of this is not getting the full attention of the milk.
Well, I don't want to mix it with a spoon because it's going to get all over the spoon. So let's take a skinny knife, like a snake.
All right. It's a real clumpy.
Well, because you have the frozen fruit in the bottom of yours.
Imagine we open this up tomorrow and it's still frozen.
Well, you never know. This looks promising.
Yeah, I think it's going to be really good. We love it.
All right. Wonderful. All right, let's cover it up. I think we'll know that this one is yours.
Yes.
And this one is mine. Mine comes with a little spoon, but this is practically useless.
Oh, it's a little baby spoon.
What are you supposed to do with that?
I don't know.
All right, so we're going to put these in the fridge, and we'll be back tomorrow.
Wonderful.
Looking like garbage. All right, as predicted, we're back, and we're looking like trash.
Why? I just showered.
I look like trash. All right. She's getting the breakfast. Ooh. She's serving up breakfast. Serving looks.
It's gonna be good, hopefully.
All right, let's see.
Do we heat it? Do we not? I don't know.
Maybe we should try it cold.
And then see if we want to continue.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, well, this one's mine.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's all right.
Smells good.
Okay.
Let's mix it.
Mix. Mine's really thick.
So's mine.
Oh, maybe we didn't put enough liquid.
No, I think mine is like a good thickness, though. It's not like...
Mine's like
I don't want it super
thick-ass
thin.
thickness.
I don't even know what the camera's showing right now.
You want me to open the thing?
Maybe.
All right, well, you do yours.
I mean, it's looking pretty good.
Is it?
Seems like the fruit has defrosted.
Okay.
Which is a good sign.
Oh, sorry. I'm trying to mix mine and film you.
Maybe.
Bubby said, is that Joanne's delivery?
Did it not show up last night?
Nope. I'm sorry, but I have to say Joanne kind of sucks with the delivery.
Yeah, the delivery's not great. Anyway. Let's see what we got. Smells peanut buttery.
I mean, how could you go wrong with peanut butter? Does it need to be heated?
I think it's good cold. I don't know. It could go either way. I think I'm going to eat mine cold.
Okay.
Well, let's get yours. I think it's really good.
I'm not a fan of oatmeal.
I would not eat it every day, but I would eat this every few days. I like it.
The only way I've ever eaten oatmeal is under protest.
No? Not a fan?
I don't know.
You're just not an oats person.
I am for the right oats.
Oh.
Like, I have another recipe that I want to try.
Mm-hmm.
For blended oats.
Yeah.
I want to see what that's all about.
Actually, I like it a lot. My only thing is, I feel like lately I've just not been into, like, sweet as much in the morning. This doesn't taste like too sweet.
Too sweet.
It's not overly sweet, but I'm just more like, I have it in my brain like breakfast sandwich. You know what I mean?
How can you pass up a breakfast sandwich?
Yeah, which I'm sure I'll get like tired of at some point, but we've been eating them for a while. But I'm just not as much of a sweet in the morning person, but I do like this. I would put this into the rotation every few days, I would say. I would say during the summer especially, because it's like cool.
During the summer, I'm having my ice cream.
Oh.
I'm having my protein ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. This isn't horrible, but it's like I'm not craving it.
Yet. See how you feel later.
I'm going to try the blended one. It's not going to be tomorrow, but...
Maybe later on in Veganuary.
Yes, exactly.
All right.
All right, well... Thanks for watching. We hope you give it a try. If you like oats, let us know what you put in your oats. Hot or cold. Yes or no. And we'll see you tomorrow for Veganuary day 9?
I think this was 9.
10. Thanks for watching, guys. Much love.
Oh.
I finished it.
Empty. So we're back. Just real quick. So, updates. I actually really, really liked it. My only thing that I would change is I would either do less syrup, take out the syrup, or do a different syrup.
Because we use the date syrup. And it has a very heavy, it's like the dark meat of syrups. You know what I mean? Because it's dates and it's got that dark sugar.
It was just a little too syrupy, but I really liked this overall. Yeah, after I dug into it a little bit more. And the frozen fruit I think worked really well.
The peach is hydrated, and I do love the toothiness of the fibrous peaches in there. I enjoy that. I'm not a strawberry berry girl like you are. I don't like them as much because I don't like the seeds in there.
I love it. I thought we had just the right amount of chia.
Yeah, I enjoyed the hemp in there. I did put hemp, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's hard to tell what was hemp and what was chia. But the chia was hydrated enough without being gluey.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
The texture was good.
Yeah. So, all right, you got me. I probably have all chia seeds in my teeth, too.
Yeah, we gotta do a teeth check before we go out.
Yeah, but we just wanted to leave that little addendum. We're not cruel. We didn't hate it. All right.